Hey guys, it's Jen Kincannon, and I'm here with Seth Kuttner from Liberty Mutual. And I know that you and I have kind of talked about this a little bit before, but will you tell everybody everything that you do offer in terms of insurance? Because I know that when I'm suggesting you to my people, I'm usually suggesting like homeowners insurance and all of those things, but what else do you offer?
So on top of homeowners insurance, we offer condo insurance, renters insurance, auto insurance, liability insurance, and life insurance. A lot of times when someone's buying the property, especially if it's the first time purchase, it's really important for them to kind of do a review of everything they have. What people don't realize is if you get in a serious auto accident and you don't have enough coverage to cover the damage or liability, you're on the hook. So a lot of times people's biggest asset is their house. So we want to make sure that we do everything possible to make sure you never have to worry about losing that. So sometimes it might be increasing the auto liability. I always recommend an umbrella if someone owns a property, and maybe looking at some life insurance to cover part of the mortgage.
So one of the questions that I was going to ask you is, what is an umbrella policy for those that don't understand what it is? And do you think that it's something that's very important for people to have if they are a homeowner?
Absolutely. So what an umbrella is, it's just exactly like it sounds. It's an extra $1 million of liability coverage that's going to cover you across the board, whether it's an auto accident, a home accident. It's going to cover you for a lot of other things too. So libel, slander. If you're a homeowner and you rent a property out and you wrongfully evict someone and they sue you, it's going to cover you for something like that as well. So it's something where there's a lot of crazy people out there. There's a lot of people that like to sue. For $300 a year, it's a really good way to protect yourself across the board with anything that might happen to you.
So what I'm kind of hearing as you're talking about all of the different types of coverage and you're looking at it in a holistic way, it's almost like you would work really well in tandem with a wealth manager because you're really looking at the asset as a whole and if all of the coverages would take care of someone. Does that kind of...
Exactly. I mean, the way we look at the home is it's your biggest asset. So you have other assets as well, savings, 401k, things you own, stocks, all of those good things. So we really want to make sure we're protecting everything because everything is connected to each other in some way. So it's important that when you're looking at your insurance needs and what you have, you're looking at that the same way as well to make sure everything's properly covered.
Perfect. Thank you, Seth.